you doing, guys? Welcome to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to install the fsport sway bars on the Lexus IS350. Now I'm gonna do the rear first, and then I'm going to do the front. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, as you can see here, this is the rear sway bars, and this is the front one. And these right here are the pushing. All right, guys, we are underneath of the car right now, and first we're gonna have to remove this bolt right here and this one right up there. There's also a sensor here. I don't think I have to remove it, and there's two other piece right here I have to remove. That's the bushing, and there's another one right up here. Now before we move on with the video, I have to tell you about this. Just if you're gonna do this yourself, just make sure you use some kind of product like this to spray on it, because this thing is just a pain to just remove, especially when you're doing that on your own. All right, let's do it. Okay, guys, as you can see, I just got this part out. It was a little hard. That's because I don't have enough space here. And now we're gonna take these two out. Okay, guys, now that we get this part done, we're gonna go onto the other side and do the same thing to get it out. All right. Okay, guys, I just got this part done. Now all I have to do is we move this toy bar, and so I can install the new ones. Alright, I can't hold the camera and doing this at the same time, so I have to put this down. Alright, I got this part down, and I'm gonna take that one, and I'm just going slowly. Okay, maybe I should take it this way. Alright, I got it out, guys. I got it out. Okay, guys, this is the old one, and that's the new one. And you can see here, this is the pushings that it comes with, and this is it comes with some new bolt as well. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, I'm going to install the new sway bars, so let's see. Now before I tied it all the way, I'm gonna go to the other side and try to fix the other side first. Okay guys, I just put this back in the other side. I'm not going to tie it all the way. I'm going to put these two back first, and then I will tie it all the way, and that will be it. Alright guys, we like tightening this right now. Make sure you tight it good. You don't want that to come loose. I think that's good enough. Alright. Just double check these. Alright. Okay guys, now that we're done this part here, you pretty much have to go on the other side and do the same thing to tie the bolt, and then you'll be done. And after I'm done with this one, I'm gonna try to do the front as well, but it's kind of late, so let's see. If not, I may have to do the front tomorrow. Okay guys, I just got done with the rear. Now I have to do the front, but it's about 5 o'clock. It's getting a little dark. I may have to do the front tomorrow, and yeah, I will have to finish that tomorrow because it's getting dark. Now remember, I have 2 of these rear sway bars. I installed one in my car, but the other one, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will give that one away, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, just like that is the next day, and as you can see here, I already put the car on the jack stand, and this right here is the front one, the front sway bars and the cushions. All right, he's underneath of the car. We're gonna have to remove that whole thing all the way, like the whole thing here. That's why the front is probably gonna be the hardest to install. Not that hard, but just because you have to remove all this. All right, let's get to it. Okay guys, it took me a while to get that thing out, but it's not that it's hard, it's just there's a bunch of clips and screws here and there, but I just got it out. Now that it's out, this is the story bar right here. There's a better view where I can see and work. The only thing is I'm gonna have to remove this trim right here, and there's another one over there, and then after that we'll be good to go. Okay guys, I just got this the two trims out. Now there's two bolts right here that we have to remove, and this one over there, and we have to do the same thing over here and up there. But for some reason I'm not seeing any sensors. Maybe this model doesn't have one. Maybe that was just for the 06 to 08 or ISF, I don't know, but this one does not have it. All right, let's do this. Okay guys, now it's Wednesday, so I started this on Sunday and it got dark, I couldn't finish. Monday I got busy and running all over the place, I couldn't do it. Yesterday I had work, and today again I had a lot of stuff to do. So now it's about 5:30. I'm going to try to finish this. This piece right here was the most annoying piece. It took me about 2 hours just to get this loose. Now we gonna take this off, and these two up here, and same thing on the other side right here and up there. Guys, we got all the bolt loose, so it's time to remove these. All right, so this side is pretty much out. Now we kind of do the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, here's the pop-up screw bars. This is the old one, this is the new ones. Now I do have the bushings right here, but I still have to use that piece. So I just put the bushings in the new ones screw bars, so now it's time to install them. Okay guys, last night it was actually a little bit too dark to finish the video, so I had to wait the next day to show you. Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is put it back on the pushing back exactly where they supposed to be, and you just make sure it's in place. And on this side is the same thing. You see where the bolt is. The only thing is, if you are going to do this, make sure that you have good tools for this right here, because this was a pain. After that, everything is fine. You can see how the bar is just, everything is all fine. All right, now I'm going to put the plastic piece back, and then that would be it. Okay guys, so this is how you install the sway bars, and if you're gonna do it, make sure you have some lubricant to kind of loose the nut, and you'll be good to go. And these are the old sway bars. It's very light compared to the F-Sport ones. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I guess I'll just put them somewhere. If you are new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Perfect.